my name's Alyssa. I make a ton of videos. You should definitely subscribe. I'm gonna try and post a lot more in the summer. Here we go. Hi guys, today is June 1st and today Nick and I are going to Canada. We are going to IKEA. I got the keys to my apartment today. We're going to meet the boy that lived there to get the keys. We're gonna get the keys from him because he moved out this morning. And I've never seen the room, so you guys seeing it for the first time is gonna be also me seeing it for the first time. We're gonna grab a coffee and then we're gonna go. I was debating on whether or not to go get the nitro cold brew from Starbucks because I really want to try it. Everyone talks about it, but I don't know if I'm gonna like it. Okay.
Wow.
It's like frothy.
Really strong.
I kind of like this. Try it.
I'm also eating combos.
Excuse me while I finish my combo.
It's not bad. You think it's frothy?
It's not about personality matrixels and charts. It's all about the bumps in your heart.
This is a perfect song for entering IKEA.
Yeah.
We're going into IKEA now. I'm looking at different plants that they have because I really want plants for my room. Basically, we haven't gotten anything yet. We just got a bookshelf, a bunch of plants, and a garbage can. My cart is broken.
Our cart is malfunctioning.
Mayday.
Can we carry it?
Yeah, can you push it? Hi guys, so as you can probably tell by my hair and my sweatshirt, it's raining. Raining on your wedding day is good luck, so I'm just gonna take this as the rain on move-in day is good luck. And why did I just compare me moving into a wedding? It means that I'm gonna have a great year, is what I'm telling myself as the rain is getting harder. Just to give you a little recap, yesterday Nick and I went to IKEA. We got a bookshelf, a desk, which was unintended but it happened, so here we are, some fake plants, and a trash can for like $1.50 or something like that. That was the trash can. So yeah, I had a really fun day at IKEA yesterday. I love IKEA so much. So now I have the backseat partly packed. Yeah, it's raining pretty hard. So this is what it's supposed to look like. Will it look like this? I have no clue. Saw that we started building the bookshelf, but we couldn't finish because we needed a hammer and we didn't have a hammer, and we were gonna go out and buy one, but my dad came today and he brought a hammer, so we just figured we'd wait a day. But now we have the hammer and you guys are gonna see us put the rest of it together.
Need help?
No. Can you help me a little?
Yeah.
So at this point we had everything pretty much all assembled except for the bed, which I hadn't gotten yet, so we decided to leave space for where the bed would be and move the rest of the furniture around. So the dresser is from my aunt's house. She had an extra one in her guest bedroom, so I brought it up here and tried to shove as many sweatshirts as I could in it without breaking the drawers. I was unsuccessful. Nick. In front of my mirror, I put all my makeup. That brown stand that my makeup is on is actually an extremely overpriced trash can from Target. And when I got it, I thought I was going to use it as a trash can, but it was honestly too pretty to put trash in, so this is where we're at. The next day, I made a few more trips from Nick's apartment, where I was keeping my stuff in his living room, to my new apartment. Good morning!
Good morning.
We have the car packed again. We are going back to my apartment and we're moving some more stuff in. We're gonna look for a bed because I don't have a bed yet, but we have everything in the back packed, and I made some coffee and I made it iced and it actually tastes really good. Nick, are you excited?
So excited.
We moved it all to my place.
We've moved out of my old apartment into Nick's apartment, and now out of Nick's apartment into my new apartment. Basically, I had to be out of my apartment by like May 26th or something, and I couldn't move into this apartment until June 1st. So I took everything from my apartment, put it in Nick's living room in his apartment, and now we're moving everything from Nick's living room to my new apartment. I said it.
Even if the sun goes down on you.
Hi guys, we're going to get a bed, a nightstand, and a dresser from this lady on Craigslist. So we just stopped at the ATM and I got money to give to the lady. But as you guys can see, my car definitely won't fit a bed, a nightstand, and a dresser. So we have to go to Lowe's, rent a truck, and then go to the lady's house. It's also $5 for every 15 minutes you go over. So we're gonna try our best not to go over because that'll get super expensive. So we got the car from Lowe's. It was this huge ordeal, but we finally got it. It's pouring rain. It's about like 2 hours later from when I last talked to you guys because it just wasn't working. I am under my parents' insurance, so I wasn't on the insurance card, so my mom had to send something over saying that I actually was on the insurance card. Then it was fine, but we're gonna go get the furniture. We finally have all of the furniture, so we're about to put this all together. Nick has a call that he has to take in a few minutes, so he's gonna do that. I'm gonna put these together, and then we ordered pizza, so I'm gonna go pick it up. So I don't know if you would call this a gallery wall or not, but I'm calling it that because it makes it sound fancier than just a bunch of cliche art from Target. But if you wanted to do this at home, I have some tips. So first, you want to make sure that all the pieces of artwork have some sort of common theme, whether that be something in the actual picture, the color of the artwork, or in many cases, gallery walls all have the same frame. My theme was wooden and gold, so as you can see, every piece of art has either wood, gold, or both incorporated within them. It also doesn't have to be some expensive, elaborate project. A lot of these I got on sale for $5 or $6, so this is something super easy and affordable you can do to spice up your room. When hanging the pictures, make sure to use a tape measure or some sort of app on your phone to make sure it's even. That way it doesn't look messy and it looks like you purposely placed them in different places and not like you're just really bad at hanging things. At the end of the day though, you can honestly hang anything up and make it a gallery wall. As long as you're happy with it, that's all that matters. That sounded like a cliche, overpriced Hallmark card, but it's the truth. And after a few more trips to Home Depot and Marshall's and Burlington and TJ Maxx, my room was finally complete. Hi guys, welcome to my crib. Just kidding. Okay. Come on in. Just kidding. Okay. Start over here. Nick hung up this lovely picture of an elephant. Here we have my closet. This was definitely one of the hardest parts for me to organize just because it's set up really weird. There's like a bar across the top, or across, what would you call it? There's a
back
bar,
wall.
and then there's 2 bars on each side, but you can't really hang anything over on this side and on the other side because it would just, you really just can't utilize the back corner because they intersect.
The bar blocks it.
So I kind of had to fold a lot of my stuff. Yeah, okay.
So tell me
I'm really
about
excited
it.
to show you. Woo! Okay.
Okay.
On the top we have all my sweaters. Here we have all of my coats, cardigans, some raincoats, some bomber jackets. And then all of my coats wouldn't fit over here, so I have this nice black shelving unit on the top. I have fall jackets, denim jackets, workout clothes. Down here I have all my sweatpants. Nick really got me into sweatpants. I never used to wear sweatpants before I started dating him, and now it's like I just have a lot of them.
The comfy life.
In here I have all of my leggings. Right next to it I just have 3 of the same shirt, but they're all different colors. I have a gray one, a white one, and a black one. These are my favorite basic tees. If you're looking for like a good basic t-shirt, Brandy Melville honestly has the best. I wear them at least twice a week. I wear them a lot. Well, not the same one, but you know what I mean. Okay, anyway, down here I have all my sleep clothes, PJs. I don't know why I said sleep clothes, but yeah. And then I have another one of those baskets from Walmart that has all my bathing suits. Over here we have all my dresses, and then we have some of my nicer tops that I wear when I'm like going out. Over here I have this hanger that I got from, I want to say Walmart. You're supposed to put like skirts on them, but I actually put all of my tube tops on here. I have a ton of sweatshirts, and then right here I have another dresser. You guys saw me get the bed, the dresser, and the nightstand at that small religious studies professor's house. Yeah, here it is. In here I just keep bags. I have all of my shoes. In this corner I keep all of my skirts, and I just have my hamper. Over here I have this huge mirror, and then we have some fake plants going around the mirror. Down here I have all my makeup. I just have a bunch of extra blankets. Here's my nightstand. This is the second piece from Craigslist. I love candles, so I have a ton of candles all around my room. Over here we have my bed. I love this comforter. I think I got it from like Macy's or something. I'll try to link everything below. Right across from my bed we have my dresser. My aunt actually gave me this dresser because she wasn't using it. And here I just keep underwear, bras and bralettes, socks, and then the rest of these are just all sweatshirts. I went through a Brandy Melville obsessed sweatshirt period of my life, and I'm currently still in it. So over here we have my Keurig. You guys saw us put this bookshelf together, so it is still standing, surprisingly, but I have a ton of my stuff on here, extra K-cups, and here I have all my mugs. I have more candles. I have all my necklaces. Down here I have all my K-cups, and then this I got from Target. I have all my nail polish, and then here I have all my scrunchies. I love scrunchies. I have all my books. I have Batiste dry shampoo, deodorant, and then a bunch of just Bath and Body Works perfumes. Here I have another fake plant. Down here I just have journals, and then I have just empty notebooks that I never used for school. And over here we have my desk. Nick and I did the gallery wall, which you guys also saw in the video, and then here's my bathrobe.
Nice wink.
Thank you. So we're back at the door. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it gave you a little bit of inspiration for your bedroom. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. You guys should definitely subscribe if you like what you see. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.